Hey guys, Rich here. A couple of you guys might already know this, but I've got another YouTube channel called Functional Print Friday. And last week on Friday, I did a video that drastically improved the appearance as well as the, just overall durability and function of the Land Pride third function kit for my L Series tractor. And I'm pointing this out to you guys because on that video, I'm actually offering one of these up for free. This piece here, it's a 3D printed piece that slips over your loader, I guess the loader rod, and then comes up and meets this piece up here and just really cleans up the appearance of the whole thing. Here, I'll see if I can find a better shot. Yeah, there you can see. So what yours probably looks like if you've got one of these is just a couple of bolts sticking out here and then a thin rod coming down and a wire either taped or zip tied or just kind of hanging down on the loader rod here. This really drastically cleans up the appearance of this. And I'm giving one of these away for free. So all you got to do is go over to my other channel, Functional Print Friday. I will link that in the description of this video, and I'll put a link to it right here in this video. So if you're watching on your TV or something like that, you should just be able to arrow up to it and hit enter. But go over to that channel, watch that video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment in that video. Again, it has to be in that video, not this video here, and you're entered to win. And guys, there's 3 people right now that have entered to win this. So you got a really good chance of getting it. So guys, go check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you again soon.